Hello friends, this video is brought to you by www.moeteaching.com.
Let us read the question. Find the mean of the marks obtained by 30 students of class 9th of a school. We know that mean equal to sum of all the observations by total number of observations. Or if xi denotes ith observation, then mean equal to sigma I varying from 1 to 30 xi whole divided by 30. Since we have marks scored by 30 students, so I is varying from 1 to 30. So let us add all the observations. We get x bar equal to 1779 whole divided by 30, which is equal to 59.3. But this procedure was very time consuming as we had to add all the 30 values. Instead, we have another method where we will use the frequency table to find the mean. It is a very important method to learn, as while doing the question in that method, we will reach the formula to find the mean from ungrouped frequency distribution table. So let us proceed. For the given data, we first construct the frequency distribution table. This table shows that one student scored 10 marks, one student scored 20 marks, 3 students scored 36 marks, 4 students scored 40 marks, and so on. Like xi denotes the ith observation, fi denote the ith frequency. So that means f1 is 1, f2 is 1, f3 is 3, f4 is 4, f5 is 3, f6 is 2, and so on. Our next step is to construct another column in which we will multiply f1 with x1, and that will be the first entry. Similarly, f2 with x2 will be the second entry. So we are finding fi into xi. So we have 1 into 10 is 10, 1 into 20 is 20, 3 into 36 is 108, 4 into 40 is 160. Likewise, we complete the column. We know that sum of the frequencies is 30 since we had data of 30 students. So we can write that as sigma I varying from 1 to 13 fi equal to 30. You must be wondering why we have written I varying from 1 to 13. We see that there are 13 entries 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So I is varying from 1 to 13. Fi means f1 plus f2 plus f3 plus f4 plus f5 and so on till f13. and sum of this complete column is 30. Similarly, we will find out sum of all the entries in the column FIXI, that can be written as I varying from 1 to 13 FIXI equal to, on calculations we get 1779. And now we can calculate mean as x bar equal to sum of FIXI I varying from 1 to 13 whole divided by sum of FIs I varying from 1 to 13. It comes out to be 1779 whole divided by 30, and which is equal to 59.3. Hence we have learned to find the mean of ungrouped frequency distribution. And in general we can say that if there are n entries, then the formula for the mean will be x bar equal to sigma FIXI I varying from 1 to n whole divided by sigma Fi I varying from 1 to n. This is the formula that we will use to find the mean from ungrouped frequency distribution table. We have already discussed that the median is that value of the given number of observations which divides it into exactly two parts. When the data is ungrouped, we have to arrange it in ascending or descending order and then find the median. For example, if the marks of 5 students are given to us, we will arrange it in ascending or descending order. Now let n denote the number of observations, which is 5 in this case. Then to find the median, we have to find the mid value, which will be the value of the n plus 1 by 2th observation, which is same as 5 plus 1 by 2th observation, that is third observation. Let us count and see the third observation, first observation, second observation, third observation. So our median is 50. So we have now suppose instead of 5 students we had 6 students and their marks. Again we will arrange our ungrouped data in ascending or descending order. In this case we have arranged in ascending order, and in this case n, which is equal to the number of observations, is 6. So we will find n by 2th observation and n by 2 plus 1th observation, that is 6 by 2th observation and 6 by 2 plus 1th observation, which comes out to be third observation and the fourth observation, which are 49 and 50 respectively. Then the median will be the mean of these two observations, that is median equal to 49 plus 50 divide by 2. That means the required median is 49.5. So in general we state, if n denotes the number of observations of ungrouped data, if n is odd, then median is the value of the n plus 1 by 2th observation. If n is even, the median is the mean of n by 2th and n by 2 plus 1th observation. We will illustrate both these cases in our next two examples.